know one of the lessons I pray a lot of you learn this year? That everybody who listening don't care. I learned to stop venting when I realized vents go to other rooms. How you think your air, you got one unit that hits 6 rooms. It's because they hooked up vents. So when I vent, I send it to rooms I'm not even in. Which is why I gotta make sure I'm sharing my heart with people who have my heart. There are certain people who will sit and listen to your problems, and that's all they do. If I'm sharing something with you and there is not a reciprocal action that you try to bring to help me in the situation, then why was I talking to you about it? Have you ever stopped to consider people know because of who you've been sharing it with?